If you have just installed your Ring doorbell, I just installed my Ring doorbell 3. And also, if you want your existing Chime to work, I have a medical Chime where it does ding, I guess ding ding when you push the doorbell, but it's not working right now because I need to set it up in the Ring apps. So basically, go to your apps on the phone and then click on Chime. Let me see. You're gonna go ahead and click on, it is my Ring doorbell here. Gonna click on that, and then we're gonna go to setting up here. Sorry if it's not really clear, but all right. Then you're gonna go to setting. Not very focused here. Gonna go to setting, which is right in the bottom here. Okay. Then you're gonna go to your in-home Chime settings. Hopefully you can see it. Apologize. Oh, sorry. It's gonna be right here. And then basically you're gonna be entering advanced setting, the manual setting, the second option here, and then basically mechanical. Since I already set it up, I just showed you the screen. Is you're gonna basically have a couple screen that you will do. Let me. Okay, I believe the next screen will be this one. Oh, sorry, apologize. Your Ring doorbell can ring your in-home doorbell Chime. You can go ahead and, this is just my screen that I capture. You can go ahead and click on Ring My Home Chime, the first option. Oops, apologize. You're gonna click the first option, and then basically you go to the next screen here. Mechanical Chime selected, and then you're gonna wait a few minutes, and then you're gonna test it. Go outside to your doorbell and ring it. So it should ding dong on your mechanical Chime, and you don't need to buy any adapter or anything like that. It just continue to work. You just need to come to the setting here and go through what I just did, and just wait a few minutes and then test it. Just like what I did, and everything worked fine. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's not very good video, but just telling you that you can use the setting under your doorbell and set it up to connect to your existing Chime. Now I did not have the digital one, but I believe if you pick different option for digital, that will work too. There are a few types of Chime that you can pick. Just scroll through the setting menu and you should be fine. No need to buy any adapter or anything like that. Any kit, anything like that. It's just work right off the apps, which is great. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you folks in the next video. Any question, comment, please let me know. Bye for now.